Alright guys, so today's video is all about the sky bars or rooftop bars, whatever you call it. Behind me is the beautiful view of the Petronas Twin Towers, having already drink. And today we are in Vertigo. Many people saying that this is the best rooftop bar in full entire Kuala Lumpur city. It's on the 59th floor of the top of the Banyan tree hotel. And well, the view is definitely magnificent from here. And I'm gonna try to show you during the sunset and during the night. And later we're gonna move to the different locations. So on today's video will be two different rooftop bars. And good thing about this place is that as you can come here without the entry fee, you can also come here, walk in, and there's no minimum spend. So basically you can come, enjoy your drink, and enjoy this beautiful panorama of Kuala Lumpur city in Malaysia, guys. And here we go, this is the sunset time, beautiful vibes, beautiful panorama, beautiful weather today. I read the review, many people had the rain, but I have a beautiful sunset here overlooking KL Tower and Petronas Towers right now. Then there is also a restaurant in case if you would like to have a party or something. Also from here you can see this is my condominium. I living there. I have a view of the Tan Razak, and this is the also construction of another tower and a view of the rest of the landscape. And then you have a view of the rest of the rooftop bar and also the KLCC and the Petronas Twin Towers, guys. So for the drink here, I just paid like a $9 American, 39 ringgits, which is very affordable, very nice view. This is like a $1 million view, that's for sure. And very big thumb up for that, as they didn't charge any service charge, didn't entry fee. It's like you just go, enjoy the drink. Beautiful view, great, big thumb up, guys. Alright, so we are now in the deep blue on the 51st floor, and well, if we compare to the previous place, definitely it's like not wow. It's, I mean, not $1,000,000 view. Definitely nice vibe, nice food, nice environment. The staff is really beautiful here. I mean, they're really friendly and talkative. As my personal opinion, the previous place was definitely better for the views. So I visited 2 different rooftop bars. Definitely all of them, they are worth it to try. There are of course few more of them. You can also visit them. Anyway, thank you so much for today, and I will see you tomorrow as always. See ya next time. See ya, take care.